Hi class, today I'm going to show you how to draw a three-dimensional cake with a slice missing out of it. So when you're finished with your cake slice, you will be able to draw the cake that it comes from and use that T-bow style to color it in. So to begin, you need to make 4 dots. One over on the left, one over on the right, one a little bit high, one a little bit low. Those are your guidelines for drawing an oval. This drawing process can go slowly. If something is messed up, you can just erase it. And if you need to erase the dots when you're done, that's fine too. I'm going to leave them there for now. After you draw a skinny oval, you're going to draw lines that are straight down, as tall as you want your cake to be. So there's my 2 lines and they come down that far. The next thing I'm going to do is get a feel for this bottom curve and then try to make the exact same bottom curve down at the bottom of the lines. Remember, you can erase and redraw, make it deeper or more shallow, but that is how you draw the bottom of your cake. If you want to add a plate, you're using the same oval, but just making it a little bit larger. So here comes the same oval, but larger underneath for a plate. And then, as in a T-bow display, you might have a little tall cake stand going off the bottom. To draw the slice, you add a dot in the middle and draw 2 straight lines coming out from that to the edge. Those are your 2 slices, and then drop straight down. You are going to next look at these slices and try and make the same slice right below it. So here I made this slice, and here I made this slice. And if you notice, it makes kind of a book. We need to add the spine going back. And now you have a cake slice. Of course, you can erase this so it looks more like a slice was taken out, and erase those 2 curves. You can add the layers of your cake, and then it's time to color it T-bow style. When I'm going to color a cake, first I color the color I want. So if I want pink frosting, I'm going to color first with my pink, nice and thick with oil pastel. And then step 2 is to add white on top. So anytime you're drawing a T-bow cake, you're going to use white on top of the color that you use to make it look tinted and pastel. And you're going to repeat that with all of the other parts of your cake. If my filling is green, I will color it green. And then step 2 is to add white on top. And then last but not least, I'm going to add my frosting in too and add white. Last but not least, remember T-bow had those little peaks of interesting colors on his cake. So I'm going to add a few slices of blue, just for interest, a slice of red. You can use those interesting colors to add little surprises down on the edges of your cake. You can color your cake stand however you want. And then voila, you have a cake.